Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will read a private conversation. Last week I went to the theater. I had a very good seat. The play was very interesting. I did not enjoy it. A young man and a young woman were sitting behind me. They were talking loudly. I got very angry. I could not hear the actors. I turned around. I looked at the man and the woman angrily. They did not pay any attention. In the end, I could not bear it. I turned around again. I can't hear a word, said angrily. It's none of your business, the young man said rudely. This is a private conversation. That's all and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rini Meliani. I want to read the text breakfast or lunch. It was Sunday. I never get up early on Sundays. I sometimes stay in bed until lunchtime. Last Sunday I got up very late. I looked out of the window. It was dark outside. What a day, I thought. It's raining again. Just then, the telephone rang. It was my Aunt Lucy. I've just arrived by train, she said. I'm coming to see you, but I'm still having breakfast. I said, what are you doing? She asked. I'm having breakfast, repeat. Dear me, she said. Do you always get up so late? It's 1 o'clock. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I will read an exciting trip. I have just received a letter from my brother Tim. He is in Australia. He has been there for 6 months. Tim is an engineer. He is working for a big firm and he has already visited a great number of different places in Australia. He has just bought an Australia car and has gone to Alice Springs, a small town in the center of Australia. He will soon visit Darwin. From there, he will fly to Perth. My brother has never abroad before, so he is finding this trip very exciting. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rini Meliani. I want to read the text Percy Buttons. I have just moved to a house in Brick Street. Saya baru saja pindah ke sebuah rumah di Brick Street. Yesterday, a beggar knocked at my door. Kemarin ada pengemis yang mengetuk pintu saya. He asked me for a meal and a glass of beer. Dia meminta makan dan segelas bir. In return for this, the beggar threw on his head and sang songs. Sebagai imbalan, pengemis itu berdiri dan menyanyikan lagu. I gave him a meal. Aku memberinya makanan. He ate the food and drank the beer. Dia makan dan minum bir. Then he put a piece of cheese in the pocket and went away. Kemudian dia memasukkan sepotong keju ke dalam sakunya, kemudian pergi. Later a neighbor told me about him. Kemudian seorang tetangga memberitahu saya tentang dia. Everybody knows him. Semua orang mengenalnya. His name is Percy Button. Namanya adalah Percy Buttons. He calls at every house in the street once a month and always asks for a meal and a glass of beer. Dia menelpon setiap rumah di jalan sebulan sekali dan selalu meminta makan dan segelas bir. Thanks. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rini Miliani. I want to read the text. Too late. The plane was late and detectives were waiting at the airport all morning. Pesawat terlambat dan para detektif sedang menunggu di bandara sepanjang pagi. They were expecting a valuable parcel of diamonds from South Africa. Mereka mengharapkan bingkisan berharga berupa berlian dari Afrika Selatan. A few hours earlier, someone had told the police that others were trying to steal the diamonds. Beberapa jam sebelumnya, seseorang memberitahu polisi bahwa pencuri akan mencoba mencuri berlian. When the plane arrived, some of the detectives were waiting inside the main building while others were waiting on the airfield. Ketika pesawat tiba, beberapa detektif sedang menunggu di dalam gedung utama, sementara yang lain menunggu di lapangan terbang. The men took the parcel of the plane and carried it into the customs house. Dua pria mengambil dua bungkusan itu dari pesawat dan membawanya ke rumah pabean. Well, two detectives were keeping guard at the door. Two others opened the parcel. Sementara dua detektif menjaga pintu dan dua lainnya membuka bungkusan itu. To their surprise, the parcel was full of stone and sand. Yang mengejutkan mereka, paket berharga itu penuh dengan batu dan pasir. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.